I love destroying my ex emotionally with kindness. Me and my ex were together until she found someone better. Her new boyfriend is unemployed and she supports him. Since then, every time I see her, I destroy her with kindness. I ask her how she is and how she feels whenever I see her in a club. I flirt with her friends. They usually flirt back or DM me, but I'm just doing it for fun once or twice a month. I bring her something to her work, candy or coffee, and always just make her question her feelings about me. I know every time I do this, she tells her boyfriend, and it makes him mad. But she never told me. The only way I know it is because her friends told me. A few times I met her in a club or bar drunk, and she told me how her mom liked me and still talked about me. Every time I see her, I'm just kind, and I'm trying to get inside her head to question what she did. A few times she just cried when she saw me and told me how she missed me. I only hugged her and left her. I will never take her back. I just don't like cheating. And I want her to remember that what she did was horrible every step of the way. The only thing I want is to break her how she broke me, and remember to be better.